Good morning, breakfast.
Secret is here.
Natin na po. Ay. Ay.
Oh.
Ito yung kanyang breakfast. Mediterranean breakfast. Are you the Mediterranean? Are you the Mediterranean?
Today I am.
Ako'y nag-ano lang.
Dit is een speciale kaas.
Water and juice.
You see they have the big
Yeah,
cheese that you always
yeah,
see.
I
I want to
see.
taste.
Dutch naman yan eh.
No. No.
Different?
No.
I will get it.
Much more aged.
Ha! Maganda tayong lahat. Mag-chance. We are on the road dahil tayo ay pupunta tayo sa isang maliit na bansa. Nasa gitna siya ng Italy. Siya ay ang San Marino. Ayan na San Marino. Yeah, Scott?
Ja, dat is San Marino.
Ito na, San Marino na itong dinadaanan natin. Diyos ko, pataas talaga kami. Para kaming bundok talaga ang San Marino. San Marino tuna, baka naman. Charot. Grabe oh. As in, bundok talaga ang San Marino. Gravy. Gravy na siya, gravy. Alam yung gravy. Ganon. Let's explore the San Marino. Wow, may hotel. Hotel or houses. Wow. Oh. Wow. Oh. Welcome to San Marino. Italy. Classic ang beauty. Parang Andorra. Grabe dito pag winter skatok. Ay grabe, may ang daming abandoned na bahay talaga. Abandoned na bahay. Ayan o. Abandoned na siya. Dahil baka gusto nyo bumili. Bili na natin. Dito yan sa kalagitnaan ng San Marino. Wow, sunflower. Tuyo na. Tuyo na po ang sunflower. Tuyo na sunflower. That's the San Marino too.
Ja, dat is San Marino.
I mean the center.
Ja,
but this is San Marino already. Yeah.
This is the Republic of San Marino.
Republic
And that's the
of
city of San Marino.
Yeah. Iba ang nila, iba ang pero ang currency is still euro, right?
Yeah, true.
But the rules...
It's not the European Union actually.
It's not the European Union.
So we're out of the EU now.
Yeah. So bawal ka mag-ATM. I mean, sa bangko. May charge ka ng bonggang-bongga. Pag nag-withdraw ka dito, dahil good luck ang charge. Parang sa Andorra. Oh, diba? Itong dadaanan mo bago ka makarating sa city proper ng San Marino. Dahil pasensya na po at talagang malubak din ang daan. Ewan ko ba naman sa Italy o San Marino. Napakayamang bansa ang lubak ng daan. Ang yaman nyo, shout out sa Italy. You are rich country.
And
but
then
you're
still flashing the...
But you are... Yung mga daan nyo talagang malubakin. Baka naman papaltan nyo na shout out sa inyo, shout out. Diba? Oo, mga high-end houses. Ito okay na to dito ang daan kasi mga houses dito ay mga high-end. Oh. Ayan na, olive yan, olive. Oh. Ang dami ding dito, wine farm, grapes farm, apple pie, apple farm, pears, at olive. Yan. Kaya let's go na sa Old Town. See you there. Welcome to San Marino. Wow, this is it mga kapansit, this is it. Pataas lang tayo ha. Kaya pag magalaw ang ating mga video, mga camera, alam nyo na yan, mano-mano tayo for the sake of the vlogging. San Marino, Centro Histórico. Historical miskin histories. Grabe, ang ganda, oh. Ayan. Papanik tayo doon sa taas. Mag-cable car tayo o mag-car. Yan. Wow. Ganda siya.
It was nice already,
yeah. Ganda ng view. May mga business din. Ano ba naman ang jowa? Bigla na lang nagbuga ng water. Nagvi-video ako. Kalorky.
Na 300 meter neem de eerste afslag op de rotonde.
Bongga San Marino. Diba? Tataas lang tayo. Pataas, pataas. Pababa ng pataas. Pataas ng pababa. Pababa ng pataas. Ang dami din namang mga ano dito. Parang high-end class tao dito. Charot. Charot ang high-end. Grabe yung hingal ko sa pag-akyat. Pero ito naman ang view. Opa! Ito yung view. Nag-park kami tapos kasi wala na doon full. Tapos dito kami sa loob. Hindi na kami nag-elevator. Kasi busy talaga. Tingnan nyo naman ang view. Tapos akyat ulit kami doon. Dito na kami sa taas. This is the center. English. Come and discover. You Netherlands?
Zijn we dus...
Just one?
Oh, but we can have a stamp in our passport.
Oh, eh?
Ja.
Waar?
Dat is wel grappig.
Ah, is dat grappig.
Toen is dit... ja, dan gaan
Joke.
we doen.
Joke lang. Kumuha ako. For a souvenir. Let's go.
Oh, they have another elevator.
Ah, daming tao, oh. Yan, oh. Sabi, would you like to unique souvenir? Tourist visa, 5 euros. Sabi nga no, may bayad ang visa. Souvenir lang naman. Yan, dito tayo aakyat. Wow! Ito ng view sa taas. Nasa Old Town na tayo. Ayan, oh. Galing tayo sa baba. Wow. We will go up mga kameme over there. Galing tayo dito. Andyan sa likod ko. Tayo ay aakyat po dito sa sabi na ng jowa. Picture. Pipicturean daw akong jowa. Ay nako. Ang jowa talaga. Wala na. Pipicturan niya ako, hindi naman. Dito tayo sa Old Town mga kameme. Oh, bag. Oh! Yun yung lift. Mas better maglakad. Mabawasan ang ating pawis. Ay! Tignan mo yung view. Napakaganda. Oh, grabe. Plazo, hingal pa more. Porta San Francisco, Plaza Publico, Centro Congress. Asan ang jowa? Hingal pa more. Yan ang jowa, oh. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Wow! Napakaganda ng San Marino. Uy! Let's explore San Marino, Scott. It's your first time also here?
Derde keer.
Ha? Ah, third time. Oo nga
Maar heel
pala.
anders.
But it's my first time
Eerste keer
here.
was een excursie.
Ah,
Tweede keer was het ook, hè?
different Ervaring.
And he told me the story, I forgot it already. Because before, you need to buy a sticker from the country you are from, like NL,
Oh, yeah.
or DK, you see
Yeah.
sometimes.
And then,
He
story
found a
time.
RSM sticker, this means Repubblica San Marino, and he attaches to his car,
Oh.
like a souvenir.
Maybe we can buy a sticker like that. We can attach to the refrigerator. Or
Do
in
you
the,
want to enter the city?
or in the bag. Yeah, let's go to the city.
Zie je de city wall al?
Wow! Ito na ang full view! Ayun ang full view. Wow. Wala lang Chocolate Hill. Charet. Welcome to the city gate of San Marino! Repubblica of San Marino. Plaza Publico. Whoop! Scott, you stay there? Huh? Stay there. You picture me here. Wait. Video. Hi! Third time. May story time pa siya. Ito yung sa kabilang side. Let's go up. Restaurante San Marino.
Good thing, it's so long ago, and it's a different angle to enter.
Oh.
I think we just park before we just park in the center. No, much more crowded.
Mano is crowded. Scott, beforehand, I wanna go here. We go to church. Grabe, wala nagtitinda dito. Pero may mga presyo, 150, 11, nahuhulog mo na lang dyan tapos kukunin mo. Grabe, ganun kaanis dito ang tao sa San Marino. O, tinan nyo, 850, tapos hulog mo na lang dito. Diba? Ganun kaanis sila. Ang ganda nito, 250. Diba? I don't know if taga dito siya. Search natin. Yun nasa Roma ngayon. Si Carlo. Ano na siya? Saint na siya. Yung bata pa lang siya. Sobrang paglabas mo, maraming makikita, mabibili. Souvenir item, mamahaling mga salamin. Oh. Diba? Ang si Kwak Kwak. Wow. This is San Marino. Yeah, 150 only.
Postcards go.
Maybe inside.
Yeah.
We wanna look inside.
Oh, no, because for sure there's
Yeah,
much more.
later. Oh, just restaurant. Basilicus. 950? Ah, that's the souvenir.
Oh, yeah.
Yan yung mga souvenir nila. Wow!
Oh, yeah.
Alberto Titano. Oh,
That's the last one.
Moy.
Yeah.
Where we gonna go? Going up. Yeah, Plaza Publico.
So nice. Also.
Basilica del Santo doon. Ang nila, ang usap din nila, ang ang language, Italy pa din. Kaso ang Republika nila, sabi ng jowa, let's see, we look in Google, ito ang pinakamatandang Republika ng kasaysayan ng mundo. Charot. Sabing ganon. Wow. Giuseppe Carbald. Ang daming perfume na mabibilhan dito. Restaurant. Yan, restaurant din siya. Ang daming mga shopping. Oh, yun! Ang sign na kanila.
Equivalent perfume, 10 euro.
Oh? Only 10 euro? Ah. Guitar. Oh wow, this is Moy. Ricardo. Wow. Going up, up. Going up. Going up. Ah, that's going up. Grabe. Super walkathon pala ito, Scott. Super walkathon. Pataas ng pababa. Super walkathon. Haggardness. Wow, another simbahan. Catholic. Ayan o, Basilica del Santo Dar.
Yeah.
And what is this one?
Dit is denk ik de Cava del Balestrieri.
Tapos yun overlooking.
Yeah.
We will go up. Exercise, huh? So you eat a lot in past few days. So it's better to walk because you eat a lot in the past few days. We both, not only me, not only you. Oh, Vin Diesel. We can go here, then later we can go back over there. Huh? Later. We're just starting, Scott. This is it, the Basilica del Santo. Ang daming mga baguettes. We can go inside this basilica. Let's go inside. Basilica del Santo. Pagoda na. Super walkathon tayo dahil doon tayo galing sa Basilica del Santo. Pupunta tayo dito sa Emelatech shopping. Oh. Super shopping. Ang Gineta. Fashion. My hate. Real fashion. For the shopping area, this. Yes, the Tory among the Tory. Wait me. It's a touristy part. You want to go there? To make your photo? Pagbaba mo, yun, napunta ng Tory. Naghanap kami ng terrace. Dito na maupo. Oh. Yung front namin puro kainan.
You buy a big bottle of vodka?
Sorry for my lipstick.
Dat was duur op vakantie laten. Ja, ik weet niet wat dat
So lekker. Tapos itong view. You don't need to.
Yeah, but you need
just you have a water.
You need to drink because you sweat a lot here. The weather is warm.
But it's perfect, yeah.
Yeah.
Whew.
Actually, it was like a little drive, but I'm happy to be here.
A little drive going up, the only thing.
Yeah, but the view on the way here is nice. Scenery.
Yan, malapit na tayo sa Torre. Ayan na ang Torre. Torre ni David. Oh. Ayan na po ang Torre, mga kamimik ng San Marino. Ay, nakikita ko na ang Torre. Ang Torre. Karot. Ang Torre. I see the Torre. Grabe. Nakakapagod ay.
Okay, that's it.
We will go inside. Tour. Yes, of course. We go inside of the Torre. The Torre shells. Let's go for the Torre shells. Mga ka-Torre. Ito yan. Ha? With the entrance, skip the line.
Oh, we doen dat op zo.
This is the Torre. How much the entrance?
Nee, goed.
5 euro. Credit cards only. You want?
Nee.
Oh. Just only Torre.
What do you want? If you want, it's okay.
No. Hindi na kami pumasok ng Torre. At may bayad. 5 euro. The Torre. Gusto ko muna maupo ulit. Grabe, napagod ako doon. Gusto na si Scatterburn. Scatterburn!
Lass im Restaurant mal auf Google gucken.
Where's here? Yeah, and then we can drink somewhere or eat. Mga kabayan. Ciao, Bella. Oh, that's a viewpoint also, Scott.
Let's go here.
Oh.
Much better.
Panorama. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Nasa viewpoint tayo, mga kamimay. Wow. That's a view. Panoramic. Panoramic view. Oh. Yes, pababa na tayo, mga kamimay. Pababa na tayo. Nakita ko na ang buwan. Charot. Full moon pa naman ngayon. Let's go. That's nice place. Where do you look? Panla ako nakakain na, hindi ko pa nabablog. Dito kami sa restaurant at kami nagbubulong. At ang aming in-order, nag-share lang kami ng pizza anchovies. Pizza.
And I like the pizza bread, it's so nice, crunchy.
Meron akong pepperoncino. Like olive or olive.
Then let's get some.
We should buy that one too. Anchovies.
Monini. Yeah.
Okay, let's continue to go down, 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 down. Dito na ulit tayo sa baba. At grabe, mga kamimay. Ang mahal ng ano, what's that? What's that I said to you? Per person? Table charge.
Oh yeah, amazing.
6 euro ka.
You have a pizza?
For one pizza only and half people.
Pizza 12 euro.
6 euro na ang binayad namin for table charge. Grabe.
They
Ang
put
mahal.
50% on top of the pizza price.
Yeah. Grabe.
Sounds very sure.
Ang mahal ng table charge. Kung nagtitipid ka, dapat tatanong ka muna kung magkano ang table charge. Magkano?
€6 on pizza.
Oh?
Maybe it's small, huh?
It's smaller. I like bigger than smaller. We go down now. Where we start. Let's go back to beach. Naghahanap siya ng ano, isesend niya yun. Poste. Ayan. Oop, bye-bye.
How's it?
The girl is irritated to you.
Yeah, because I'm the first one to notice. He's telling me the wrong photos.
Neither, but I only see one like that same. Maybe it's the same. They will separate later on. Ayoko na makapagtalo sa iyo, Day. Kasi naghahanap siya ng yellow poste, yung kaninang inano namin. Sabi niya, bumalik kami doon sa ano, mali daw. Sabi niya, nakipagtalo na naman siya. Alam mo naman ang jowa. Very Dutch. Pabalik na kami ng sasakyan. Thank you, San Marino. Meron na naman tayo na-discover, bagong Discovery Channel na San Marino. Maliit na bansa. Republika ng San Marino. Tuna, charet. Ay! Panalo ang San Marino. Kat, I don't wanna wait for the lift. Many people waiting already. Let's go down to... It's okay, at least we eat already. We have a picture here. Anoknit. Let's go down. Bye-bye! San Marino.